Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy. Welcome, and today we're gonna do bridal inspired look using Pat Mcgrath Mothership 7 palette. Well, this is 7. I definitely need some matte lessons. So this is the latest Pat Mcgrath palette, the Mothership 7 Divine Rose, and hear me out, Pat is doing a giveaway of this palette in New York, or maybe by the time I upload this video it already happened. Anyway, follow her on Instagram for all the info and tons of inspiration. And today I'm testing this palette and the whole Sublime Perfection complexion system, so I'm just gonna roll the intro. I haven't unboxed my video for so long and I haven't shown you the Pat Mcgrath foundation yet, so I thought this video is going to be a great opportunity to do it. So the first step after putting my hair back is going to be Pat Mcgrath Sublime Perfection Primer, and it's infused with hyaluronic acid and plant extract, and it has like a lovely kind of sweet fruity scent to it. It's going to hydrate our skin and it's going to make it soft and silky. For foundation, I'm gonna use Pat Mcgrath foundation brush, and as you can see, I haven't opened this one yet. I was keeping this for special occasion, and this is the special occasion, just to showcase you the whole range. Ooh, this is so soft. It's quite dense, but soft at the same time. And I'm gonna use Sublime Perfection foundation in shade number 9. And the foundation is infused with Vita serum, so it's going to be anti-aging, and it's designed to give you like this healthy skin radiance. So it's definitely not matte, but it's not too dewy either. And the shade number 14 I'm going to apply in this 3 shape just to sculpt my face a little bit. And since Pat doesn't do concealer, I'm going to use my all-time favorite Fenty Beauty. I hope Pat's going to come out with the concealer because the foundation is gorgeous. And I'm gonna blend this with a damp beauty blender. Okay, I don't know how you see this on camera, but in the mirror, my skin looks flawless. It has this a little bit of dewiness, but definitely not greasy. Woo, love that. Okay, and now let's go for contour. And because I wanna keep this dewiness, I wanna use as little powders as possible. So I'm gonna dig into Contour Wand from Charlotte Tilbury and just contour the heck out of my face. The first time when I tried this wand, I didn't like it at all, and I put this in my drawer and it was waiting weeks, maybe even months. But recently, I'm enjoying this more and more, especially when I want to have like a dewy finish. And now blend everything with a beauty blender. And if you're happy with the shape of your face, you can skip this step, but because my best friends are chocolate eclairs, I need some help. And to set my under eye area and T-zone, I'm gonna use Pat Mcgrath Sublime Perfection setting powder. I have a shade light 1, and I'm just gonna press this into my skin. Okay, hold on a moment. I don't know if you see this on camera, but in the mirror, this side looks so blurred out. And I'm gonna set my around nose area and the forehead a little bit. So quickly I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'm gonna be back and we're gonna dig into Divine Rose palette. Brows are done. Let's dig into Mothership 7 Divine Rose. Look at this packaging, it's so pretty, so pretty. And the palette inside, dum 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 dum. I know, it's a little bit dirty because I've been using this every single day since I got this, but look at the color story, it's so pretty, and I feel like this palette is the most approachable from all Mothership palettes because I don't know how about you, but for me, maybe except the Mothership one, all other palettes had at least one shade that I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna ever use it, but in this palette, I'm obsessed with every single shade, and for me this color story is like very simple everyday glam, but also it's giving me bridal vibes, so maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of like a bridal makeup today, we will see. And inside you have 4 different finishes. You have mattes, metallics, pearls and shimmers. I'm just gonna give you a quick swatch of few of them so you can see what we're gonna play with. Look at this, the pigmentation is incredible. We have this iridescent white, pink, purpley, peachy moment. Here we have like a gold, peach, another iridescent shade. The matte is so stunning and the metallic just goes on the skin like butter. And what is unique about this palette, it has rice bran extract, which is antioxidant, and it will soothe the skin on your eyes. And it also has honey extract, which will boost radiance and we know that honey can act as an anti-inflammatory ingredient as well. So basically, it's a makeup with a little bit of skincare at the same time. So first with Pat McGrath Xtreme Black Eye Pencil, I'm just gonna do base for our eyeshadow. Basically what I'm doing is a small wing liner, and now I'm gonna smoke it out. It's gonna give us nice base for our shadows. And now the fun part, let's dig into the palette. I'm gonna start with this shade over here, and I'm gonna pack this in my outer corner and a little bit in my inner corner as well. And now I'm gonna blend this with this matte shade over here. And this matte I'm also gonna use on my lower lash line. And for my brow bone, I'm gonna use this metallic shade over here. And for my lid, I'm gonna use this iridescent shade over here. And to give me smooth transitions, I'm gonna blend this with a clean brush. And for the highlight slash blush, I'm gonna use this iridescent shade here, and I'm gonna go with my highlighter brush. And it's giving us this divine pink peachy iridescent moment. And just to amplify the look a little bit, I'm gonna dig into this shade here. I'm just gonna place a little bit on top of my cheekbones and a little bit above my brows as well. And don't forget your Cupid's bow. And for the final touches, I'm gonna dig into this glittery shade at the end, but I'm gonna use it wet, so I'm gonna spray a bit of water directly to the pan. And this is why I love Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, because you can spray the water directly to the pan and use the eyeshadow wet, but the shadow inside wouldn't get rocky, if it makes sense. You know how it is when you're gonna use wet brush on like a lower quality eyeshadow. They got rocky and basically the game is over. And so I'm gonna dig with the ankle brush, and I'm gonna use this as a glittery eyeliner. And I'm also gonna use black pencil in outer corner on my lower lash line. I've messed up a little bit, but I'm just gonna quickly clean this and cover my mistakes with glitter. Okay, let me do quickly the other off camera, put some lashes on, and I'm gonna be right back with the final touches. So this is the final look. I've added Urban Decay Vape Lashes, my all-time favorites. And for the lips, I've used Pat McGrath Lip Balm in shade Love Supreme. Again, my all-time favorite. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this Mothership 7 Divine Rose look. It's a little bit bridal inspired, but I think it can go for any occasion. And my final thoughts about this palette? Well, it's a little bit pricey, but you know what you're paying for. First of all, you have this luxury, quite heavy packaging. On the bottom it has gold engraved plate, and it looks like a luxury jewelry box. And you're also paying for the high quality formula for the eyeshadows. Those are super pigmented, so easy to blend, and those bleach shades at the end are so unique. So if you can afford this palette, you're not gonna be disappointed, because you know the saying, once you're gonna go Pat, you're never gonna go back. And I think that it has. If you enjoyed this one, please click the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you in the next one. Bye!